I chose UWGB's theater and dance program because it felt right. When I was younger, I danced, I sung, I acted. There was really nothing else I really loved to do. When you find a school, you know that that's the school for you. And one of my favorite things about all of my professors is that they are so passionate about what they love and their area of emphasis in teaching us that there's nothing more that I want to do than go to class, and learn and grow. Our theater dance program offers a lot of hands-on learning, so choreographer's workshop or choreography class, you learn a lot, you grow a lot, it's amazing. Any acting class, any. Stagecraft, never thought I would learn as much as I did, and it was amazing. Costume tech, didn't know how to sew, and now I do. Our dance classes here, and then voice lessons. Those are some of my favorite courses here. One of our main stages is our Dance Works. Think of it as like a theater production, but the difference is it's a dance concert, so we tell stories with our bodies. It's also another great opportunity for our technical students if they want to get involved. Lights is a big aspect of it, sound. We have a couple of main stage productions here, and of course we have student productions, but our main stage ones take place in our university theater. Last semester, I was blessed with the most amazing role that I could have possibly been cast in, and that was Elizabeth in the production of If Then, which is a beautiful show. I mean, ultimately, Broadway, right? That's the dream, but I also really want to get involved in film. So I would love to be in movies, I'd love to be on streaming platforms, Netflix, HBO Max, and just continue to tell stories. I'm a storyteller at heart, and this university has put that belief in me that I can do it, and I hope future students also have that feeling.